So I've already got my concealer on. I used two concealers for this look today, and I'm primarily going to be using the Pro Concealer, but I did put the Tarte Concealer on my T-zone, and I'm going to go over it with my Pro Concealer. Right now I'm applying it all over my lid. This is going to serve as a base for our eyeshadow and help the eyeshadow pop and just be vibrant for our smoky eye look that we're doing today. And I'm just applying it with my finger. It's going to act as our primer. I also put some on top of where I already put the Tarte concealer just because I felt that it would just blend a lot better with the rest of the makeup. Then I'm going to go in with a bone colored or cream colored shade on top of where I placed my concealer. This is like the base shadow. I'm just applying it all over my lid on both eyes. Next, I'm going in with a nude shade, which I'm going to apply onto my crease. This is going to be our transition shade for when we do our crease. I'm then going in with a cocoa brown shade, and I'm just going to start out with the crease. This is just to kind of blend in the transition shade with the cream shade that I applied, and it's also going to give me a great outline for when I actually do my crease. Normally I do a brown smoky eye for my everyday makeup look, but this is going to be more of a glam look. So I've just applied a black shade on top of where I applied my brown shade. I'm doing that on both eyes, and I'm also making sure that I'm going into my crease a little bit more. And I'm also adding a bit of a wing effect on the outer corner of my lid, just to shape things up. And it's fine if it doesn't look even on both eyes for now. What matters at the moment is just getting the placement down. I'm then going to layer on the black shade on top of where I already applied and blended out the shades that I applied previously, because a look like this takes a lot of layering. I'm going back in with the bone shade that I went in for my base, and I'm just patting it onto my lid to create a nice transition, as well as highlight my brow bone. I'm also using this shade to clean up any areas that I need to. And I just find that it's easier for me to use my fingers for this. You don't have to, you can use a brush. But I like to use my brush for my crease. Right now I'm just cleaning up, making sure that my eyeshadow has a nice shape to it. Making sure that my crease looks like a crease, and just cleaning up with my finger. I'm applying more powder well, more of that eyeshadow layer by layer of each color that I've shown so far. I'm going back in with the nude color that I went in for my transition color, and I did attempt to clean up a bit here, but I realized shortly that I actually made it a bit too light. So I'm going back in with the black shade and I'm going to tighten up. I'm then going to gently apply the nude shade again as my second attempt. And this time it blends in a lot better. I then go in with a sparkly champagne shade for my lid just because I wanted to add a little bit of glitter and I thought it would be very pretty. Before once again going in with my black shade and just tightlining my lower lash line as well as my crease. And you guys can see that the colors are looking good. For this look, I am swiping my brush onto my crease, which is allowing the colors to blend in together. If you're going for a more pigmented look with the blacks and the browns, then I suggest that you pack it on and pat it into your crease instead of swiping it like I am. But I'm going for a very shimmery, kind of mystical type of look, so I'm just going in with my swipes before once again going in with my cream shade that I used for my base. In the same places as before, my lid and my brow bone. Starting to come together. Now I'm going in with my eyeliner. This was pretty difficult for me to film because I'm not used to doing eyeliner on camera. As you guys have seen in my past videos, I always do it off camera. So this is actually the first time I'm doing eyeliner for you guys. And for this look, I'm using my Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez eyeliner. It's a liquid liner. And it's very useful for doing smoky eyes because the color stays very pigmented and it looks very sharp. Now I will admit I did get a little carried away. I did make some mistakes, but it's nothing that we can't fix. I'm then going in with my concealer on my brow bone. And I'm just using my finger to blend it out. This is optional, you don't have to do this. I just prefer to do this for my own look because I like when my brow bone is pronounced. May or may not have applied a bit too much, but that's what blending is for. As I once again apply another layer of black shadow onto my crease. This time kind of packing it into my crease as opposed to swiping it, although I do swipe a bit. I'm then going in on my inner corners with a white shadow before applying my lashes. These are actually glueless lashes that I got from Kiss. Going in with my Maybelline mascara, I just apply a light coat on both my upper and lower lashes. apply some sparkles and glitter just for fun. I really should have done this before I applied my eyeliner, but here we are. It gives me an opportunity to fix my eyeliner. And after tightlining my eyeliner and adding some final touches, here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this look, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and notification bell for more videos. I'll see you soon.